In today's video, I'll show you how to make money on autopilot without spending a dime, without having to appear on camera, and without even having to have a social media following. Stay tuned to find out how. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. With that out of the way, let's get right into the tutorial so I can demonstrate everything. Okay, so the first site we'll use to get paid today is called Fiverr.com. Now I understand what the majority of you are thinking. And no, we will not be working as freelancers this time, so I will not tell you to create gigs or anything like that. Instead, we'll use Fiverr in an entirely new manner. For those of you who are unaware and have never heard of Fiverr, it's a freelancing website that is now one of the most popular. This is an ideal platform for both freelancers and clients, and it is extremely competitive. Starting off as a freelancer on Fiverr is extremely difficult, which is why I said that we will not be working as freelancers here. Now what you need to do on Fiverr is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to click on affiliates right over here. So yes, we will be promoting Fiverr as an affiliate, and I have several traffic sources to show you in this video that will allow you to reach people that will want to try out Fiverr and thus earn you money when they do. Now this page is where you want to sign up as an affiliate. To do so, just click on Start Earning Now right here, and then on the next page, enter all of your information to create your account. I won't go through this entire process since it's all simple stuff, and I'm sure you'll be able to manage it. Now with that done, I want to go over to Fiverr's affiliate system with you guys since it isn't like other affiliate programs with other websites. You see, generally speaking, when you're promoting some websites as an affiliate, you have a fixed commission system where you receive a certain percentage of the money a website makes from your referrals. But the thing with Fiverr is that they actually give you a choice. You have two options. You can either get paid through the CPA system or hybrid system. The CPA system works like this. When you refer someone to Fiverr, you will get paid between $15 and $150 depending on the type of service they purchase, and it is a one-time payment. So you refer someone, you get paid, and that's it. The hybrid system, meanwhile, allows you to earn $10 no matter what service a customer purchases, and you will earn 10% of the revenue Fiverr gained from the customer you referred. So, the hybrid system is more of a passive income way to earn money in recurring commissions instead of a one-time payment. Now, which one of these will you pick? It depends on what customers you can refer. If someone you referred here will buy services that pay you as an affiliate more money, then the Fiverr CPA system is better to use. If, however, someone you referred to here will buy services that will earn you far less, then the hybrid system is more effective since it's not just a one-time payment, but you also get paid in recurring commissions for life. Which services pay exactly how much? You can see it below. If someone buys the Fiverr Pro services, you get paid $150. If someone buys from any one of these niches, you will earn $50. If someone buys from any one of these, you will earn $40, and so on. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that most categories will pay you just $15. Now in this tutorial, guys, I will show you that particular niche you will want to focus on if you're going with a Fiverr CPA system, and also what niche you want to focus on if you're going with a hybrid system. And then you can pick between the two of them. If you're going for the CPA system, as I said, you want to look for niches that pay a bit more, and one of those I have found that can make you a lot of money is the website design niche. Because I have a way for you to easily find people who will pay website designers on Fiverr, and thus earn you $40 every single time they make a purchase. Now to get traffic, we will be using a freelancing platform, and that platform is none other than peopleperhour.com. This is obviously Fiverr's competitor. So it may be confusing as to how it can get its traffic, but keep watching. It will all make sense soon enough. Basically speaking, the reason you want to use peopleperhour.com as a traffic source is because of the pricing differences between Fiverr and People Per Hour. If you click on Search here, and then on Search Projects, and you search for web design, you will see that people are willing to pay not just hundreds, but thousands of dollars for a web designer. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Now check out what happens when I come on Fiverr and search for web designers. Although some people are charging like $100 or $200, you can also find people willing to give far less money. The basic package for this particular gig is just $10, which is insane. Just think about it, guys. What will someone who is offering $5,000 on people per hour do when you tell them that someone on Fiverr is asking for as little as $10 and at most a few $100? They will obviously want to switch over to Fiverr. But here's the trick. People per hour is Fiverr's competitor. So you cannot just share your Fiverr affiliate link here or you will get banned. As simple as that. You instead want to contact some of these people and tell them that you have a business proposal for them regarding web design and that you'd like to contact them via email, or perhaps you can give them your own email address and tell them to reach out to you if they're interested. In any case, your goal is to get them off people per hour, and once you do, only then will you share your Fiverr affiliate link with them and tell them just how much cheaper it would be for them if they paid someone on Fiverr. And chances are, they're willing to give Fiverr a try. And each time you refer some of these people on Fiverr and they purchase a service, you will earn $40. So can you see why this has enormous potential? 10 people is $400, 100 people, $4,000, and so on. And the best part is, you can't run out of potential customers. There are over 1,000 results you can see right here. Now with that said, I would recommend the second method, guys, because even though the first one does pay big time, it's a one-time payment. And in order for you to keep making money, albeit it's a lot of money, you will need to keep looking for new customers all the time. Meanwhile, with the hybrid system, if you refer 50 people that keep using Fiverr for a long time, you will be constantly making money for them without doing anything once you referred them. Now with the hybrid system, it's not a bad idea to actually try and refer people in the web design niche as well. But another one that is more worthwhile to promote is the animated explainer video niche. Now the reason you wouldn't want to promote this with the CPA system is because it only pays $15 per person referred. Meanwhile, the hybrid system will earn you $10 plus 10% revenue in recurring commissions. Now the traffic source in this case will be Upwork.com. Using people per hour as a traffic source is a great idea too, but I did find way more people wanting animated explainer videos on Upwork, hence why it's a better option. What you need to do on Upwork first is click on this little arrow right here and then select jobs, and only now do you want to type in animated explainer videos. And just check this out, this person here wants an animated video that is 20 seconds long and is willing to pay $100. Meanwhile, this person on Fiverr I found is asking for just $5 for a 30-second long animated video, which is 20 times less money. Now, what you'll do is similar to people per hour. You want to get this person off of Upwork since Fiverr and Upwork are competitors, and once you do, only then will you give them your Fiverr affiliate link and tell them just how much of a better deal they can get on Fiverr, and it's almost guaranteed that they will check Fiverr out. And if they do pay someone, you'll earn $10 plus money in recurring commissions if they pay someone else. As you've seen, guys, this has huge potential, and it's thanks to the price disparity between Fiverr and its competitors that this is possible. And you can earn a lot of money without needing any skills whatsoever. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.